Hey there, Shooby Doodlers, how are you doing? Today I'm going to show you how to draw a kind of a cartoony spaceman. So we want a sort of a circle, but it's more of a squishy kind of tangerine shape really. And then we want it to be quite circly around it like that. So this is the helmet, and we're going to put a little thing in there, which is the shininess on the helmet. Now what we need to do, this is the tricky bit, we're going to draw two lines coming down here, and they'll go into a point at the bottom, and these are going to be the arm straps which hold on the backpack, okay, where you've got all your air and oxygen and stuff like that. I think we ought to maybe have a couple of little sort of headphone things there, and then we'll come down a bit like this and then curve in and curve in like that, because here we've got oxygen intakes, okay, which sort of feed the spacesuit, and put a little sort of sausage ring around there like that. Then we can bring the rest of the body around underneath there. This probably doesn't make sense much, does it? But it will. So we're going to put the arms coming out like that, and then that there like that, and that like that, and then we're going to want to have kind of a little sausage on the end, so this is where the gloves attach, and we'll make the gloves nice and easy. We'll just have kind of mittens, and we'll come up there, and let's have a little thumb, and then we go down and up like that. If you haven't already, hit the subscribe button and ring the bell so you get notified every time I upload new videos to help you improve your creative skills. Now we're going to want to have the legs coming out at a bit of an angle, and they can be slightly curved, and we can bring them down there like that, and maybe a little bit longer like that. And then we're going to draw the shoes like that, or the boots. I think you don't wear shoes on the moon, do you? You need boots. And we'll put sort of two little lines like that in the boot, and then a big sort of sausage around the bottom like that, and then we want to put these little marks in there, and that's the thickness of the sole, the bottom of the boot like that. And let's put some knee pads. If you're going to fall over on the moon, you need to have strong knee pads like that. And I think we'll have a couple of sort of lines in across there. And we're going to want to have a badge with something going on there like that, and some kind of control panel on the front like that, with a little square next to it. And then we can fit in the backpack around the back like that. So the backpack will be there, and come down here and into there, and then we probably want a little triangle-y thing with a little bit on the top, which is going to be the radio antenna like that. And then we want some lunar landscape in the background, maybe with some rocks, one or two rocks like that. And there you go, how to draw a spaceman real easy. Thanks for watching, and make sure you are subscribed to Draw Stuff Real Easy, and keep coming back for lots more drawing videos every week. In the meantime, keep drawing, drawing, drawing. Practice, 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 and I'll see you next time. You take care now. Bye-bye.